Alright, well, I'm trying to navigate their Synaptic Package Manager, which I really don't like. We got FL rig, mark for installation. Radio, multicast, graphical program. Let's see what we got here. It's kind of hard to kind of click it, and it's like this thing just kind of jumps around. I need like my regular mouse. K-log. Multiple platform ham radio logging. Mark for installation. Quick mark. We have something called Hamster Time Tracker. Hamster Applet. Debian Ham Radio Training Packages. Debian Ham Radio Tools Package. Okay. Let's try that. Mark it. Debian Ham Radio Tasks. Alright. Let's see what else we got. Ham Radio SDR. Let's try this one. Mark for installation. I mean, we need to try these things out and just see what works and what does not work. Ham Radio Satellite. Ham Radio Rig Control. Yeah, we definitely want that. Ham Radio Packet Mode Packages. There's non-amateur modes packages. Oh, jeez. We're gonna just check them all, you know? It's like, really. Okay. Problem is, there is not a ton of room on this hard drive. Ham exam. Ham radio all. Ham radio antenna. Data mode packages. Okay. Digital voice. Interesting stuff. Ham radio files. I'm going to click all this stuff. We'll just, that way we can just check it all out. If we don't have room, we'll deal with it later. I'm not going to click the ham exam thing, but mark. G-Rig. Graphical user interface for ham radio control libraries. I wonder if it's just like be selecting every single thing. Because I did a search earlier. I mean, but some of this I definitely don't need. AX25. CRQ log data. Alright, well, let's apply and just see what works and what doesn't. A lot of times this stuff just doesn't, even some packages fail. That's one thing that, like, you're not going to find so much for Windows, but now there is some software, like, I don't think it's available in Linux. Maybe the one for ICOM. I don't know. There's times where it's just like there is no other choice but Windows, you know, unfortunately. Okay. Click close. I'm just kind of curious. Let's just go ham. I want to see what we get. Maybe we can mark all. Mark all. No, wait. Can I just select all, maybe? I don't want to do this like that. Ham. No, ham. Okay, status. Mark all upgrades. Apply. I don't know. To be upgraded. Apply. Install. I don't know. I'm not sure exactly if I really did anything, because I thought it was already filtering my results and I didn't see it highlight anything. But who knows, maybe. While we're waiting on that, let's see if we can find out what we have in here. So this is kind of an interesting system here. And then we have this package installer too, so I don't know. Simple software application package installer. I don't know if I was actually using that one or not. We get all applications, and they pop up on this side. So I think we're using the XFCE desktop, which is kind of cool. I'm not super familiar with that. We do have an archive manager. Accessories, catfish. Internet. So we have Flark. Remember that one. FL Amp, FL Digi, FL Rig, Klog. And I know how to use FL Digi. But it's been a long time since I've used it. Click next. Okay. So I don't know if I want to set it up or not, but we'll just go ahead and do it. Station call sign. Operator call sign. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So if you've never done this before, it's not too hard to do. Click your county. Next. Let's see. Audio device shared by audio alerts. I don't know. Port audio. A lot of this stuff, I'm not hooked to a radio, so it's kind of hard to do all this stuff, really. Rig description file. Use RigCat. Next. I'm just going to go next. Finish. And then we're kind of set up, so. And then this will do like it can decode a lot of different stuff. CW, RTTY, CWR. EAS. And then you'll need to use FL Rig to control the radio, but anyway. I don't know what other, so let's see, what does this say? No updates available. This is the update box, which is not the same as that other thing. Let's see, Task Manager, MX Package Manager. This one looks a little bit different than, I'm not sure if it's the same as where I was at. Okay. And apparently when I minimized the other screen, I might have closed something, so it's back to doing something again. So we had all the different categories here, FTP, all sorts of stuff. But today kind of reminded me of how, you know, dangerous and not secure the internet still is. And you could be on an innocent website looking up computer specs, and all of a sudden you're getting infected with some kind of malicious stuff. And the time it happened on my phone, I was on Tom's Hardware website reading information about graphics cards, the NVIDIA GTX 1060. And I was reading something, and I clicked on something, and it said, your phone is infected with the virus. So, anyway. Yep, bunch of crap. So, I'm going to let this thing run for a bit and get some other stuff done and go to bed. So, catch you guys later.